What's up, Bitcoin to coin holder? Welcome to another brand new video. I will give you a surprise to Bitcoin will hitting $25,000 US, my friend. You can see here. So absolutely the very huge price target, my brother. Let's talk about that. Really, it will rise up and give you a very huge profit or not. But remember, my brothers, before I will analyze this video, kindly subscribe this channel. Before I will analyze this coin, my brothers, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So the price is, you can see, 5.91% in the last 24 hours increasing, but they will pumps up from $18,000 to $20,000. So that is really great news. But the target is $25,000. So $25,000 is very huge and very high target, and I'm sure they will hit now, my friend, just in only in 2 days. Yes, yesterday, my friend, Bitcoin price will in last 24 hours, if just only hit now $2,000. So I'm sure over the three upcoming 2 days they will easily hit now $25,000. But if they will move upward like that, and if you are trade like that, 56.38% the volume was increasing, maximum volume was increasing 100%. It depends on more, my friend, holders, but when volume was increasing, then market cap was also increasing and price will also increasing. So don't worry, my friend, if in this time it will crash down for a short time, ignore it, and I'm sure my friend, so they will wake up and they will give you a very huge profit, and the price target is very high now. What's your opinion? What's your expectation? Kindly tell me in the comment box. But remember, my brothers, if in those days you want to get a very huge profit from especially Bitcoin, definitely you will need to hold down and wait for the end of month. See you next time, guys. Allah Hafiz, and remember to the big events was coming soon, so you will need to collaborate with him now. All right. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.